जो एपिथेलियल ट्यूमर्स हैं ये इतने इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, इसको छोड़ सकते हो। सेस कॉर्टोमल भी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, नॉन ओवेरियन। तो जब भी बिनाइन ओवेरियन ट्यूमर्स की बात आएगी ये भी पूछ सकते हैं फंक्शन ओवेरियन सिस्ट, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन जर्म सेल ट्यूमर पे ही आता है। एंडोमेट्रियोसिस बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। Endometriosis is a common condition that is defined as an endometrial tissue lying outside the uterine cavity। सीधी सी बात है, यूट्रस के बाहर अगर एंडोमेट्रियल का टिश्यू हो गया उसको एंडोमेट्रियोसिस बोलते हैं। इट इज यूजली फाउंड विद इन द पेल्विस, बीइंग कॉमनली लोकेटेड ऑन द पेरिटोनियम लाइनिंग द pelvic side wall, pouch of Douglas, uterosacral ligament and bladder। This ectopic endometrial tissue can induce fibrosis and be found infiltrating into deeper tissues such as rectovaginal septum and bladder। When endometrial tissue is implanted into the ovary, an endometrioma forms। This cyst may be large and contains old and altered blood that has a thick brown appearance, and for this reason it is frequently कॉल्ड एज चॉकलेट सिस्ट। तो आपके पास चॉकलेट सिस्ट के नाम से भी शॉर्ट नोट आ सकता है, और एंडोमेट्रियोसिस पे तो पूरा लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है। लेस कॉमनली एंडोमेट्रियोटिक डिपॉजिट्स कैन बी फाउंड इन अदर साइट्स सच एज umbilicus, abdominal scars and the pleural cavity। Endometriotic tissue respond to a cyclical hormonal changes and therefore undergoes cyclical bleeding and local inflammatory reaction। These regularly repeated episodes of bleeding and healing lead to fibrosis, adhesion, formation between pelvic organs causing pain and infertility। In extreme cases, a frozen pelvis results where extensive adhesions teether the pelvis organs and obliterate normal pelvic anatomy। Adenomyosis is a uterine condition often seen with endometriosis where islands of endometrial tissue are found deep within the underlying myometrium। Incidence: the endometriosis occurs in approximately 5 to 10% of women of reproductive age group। It is found in at least 1/3 of women undergoing a diagnostic laparoscopy for pelvic pain or infertility। It is a condition that is estrogen dependent, therefore it is resolved after the menopause or when treatment is directed towards inducing a pseudomenopause। तो बेसिकली आपको menopause करना है, ट्रीटमेंट खत्म। The etiology of endometriosis is unknown, although there are several theories। Sampson's implantation theory बोलती है कि when menstrual blood can be seen within the pelvis during the laparoscopy at the time of menses। Sampson's implantation theory postulates that it is the retrograde menstrual regurgitation of a viable endometrial glands and tissue along patent fallopian tubes, and that's subsequently implanted on the pelvic peritoneal surface called endometriosis। Using animal primate models, endometriosis has been induced with menstrual blood। Implantation of endometrium within human surgical scars after C-section or perineal repair following delivery lends to support to this theory। Mayer's coelomic metaplasia theory। Coelomic epithelium transformation describes the de-differentiation of peritoneal cells lining the Muller's duct back to their primitive origin, which then transform endometrial tissue। This transformation in endometrial cells may be due to hormonal stimulation or inflammation। किसी भी वजह से हो, ये कहता है कि बेसिकली मेटाप्लेजिया हो जाता है।